Sujin had 6/5 as many beads as Amina. Sujin gave 3/10 of his beads to Amina. Amina then gave half of her beads to Sujin. In the end, Sujin had 252 more beads than Amina. How many beads did Sujin have at first? Now let's pause the video so that you can complete it yourself first. Right. This question has involved fractions, and most of the time with fractions you can make use of the model. So today we're going to do using partly a model concept to solve this question. Then later on we will progress from what we have gathered from the model. So let's draw what we know first, sentence by sentence. Let's draw the first sentence. Sujin has 6/5 as many beads as Amina. Meaning to say, Sujin would then have a total of 6 units. While Amina would then have 5 units. Right, first one done. Second sentence, Sujin gave 3/10 of his beads to Amina. So Sujin has got 6 units, but you want Sujin to have 10 units. So how are you going to do it? Simply, you just have to cut them so that it can represent both 10 units and also represent 6 units. So the common multiple in this case would then be 30. So from this 6, we are going to cut them into 30. That means each unit becomes 5. We'll do the same for Amina because they must be the same. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost done. Right, so we have cut them nicely, and now Sujin has got 30 units and Amina has got 25 units. So I can then easily give Sujin gave 3/10 of his beads to Amina. So one way is that we actually move the number of units from Sujin to Amina. Right, but it's going to be very tedious, so I'm going to using what we have drawn, but slightly a different method. Okay, I know that Sujin has got 30 units now, and Amina has got 25 units, right? So Sujin gave 3/10. So 3/10 of 30 is actually 9. So I got to remove 9 units from Sujin, and I got to then move these 9 units to Amina. So in so doing, Sujin would have 21 units while Amina would have 34 units. Okay, so now this is after the move. The new scenario is this, right? 21 units. Amina has 34 units. Okay, next it says that Amina then gave half of her beads to Sujin. So look at Amina now. Amina has 34. Take away half. Let me this is units. Minus 17 units, and I'm going to add it on to Sujin, 17 units. So now Sujin has got 38 units, and Amina has 17 units left. So it's okay. Next sentence done. Finally, Sujin had 252 more beads than Amina. More than, so there's a comparison. So between Sujin and Amina, what's the difference number of units? Okay, let's do on the side. 38 units minus 17 units. I actually get 21 units. That means to say 21 unit is the difference, which is the 252 more bits as stated in the question. So 1 unit would then be 12, and 30 units would then be 12 times 30, and the answer is 360, because the question is asking for number of units that Sijin had at first. At first, Sijin has 30 units, so 30 units is the answer for this question.